the digital media producer for the Falcon.
I'm Laurlae, and I'm one of the students who's part of digital media for the Falcon.
Yeah, and today for kind of, a fun little Easter themed thing, we are making bunny Oreo truffles.
Because who can't have Easter without bunnies?
Exactly. So the first thing you want to do is, obviously since they're Oreo truffles, the main ingredient is surprisingly Oreos. Wow. I'm gonna stick them in this plastic bag. Do you wanna?
Oh my goodness,
load them up. And so you can use a food processor for this, but the more fun way to do it is to just smash the heck out of them.
Okay, whoa.
So yeah, you can really get out your rage. If you're dealing with school stress, relationship troubles, just take it all out.
I don't think I ever got to bake anything for Easter.
Oh really?
I have painted Easter eggs.
Ooh,
and
I love
then
doing that.
Growing up, sort of our main tradition was my mom would just play Easter Bunny, and she would hide these plastic eggs full of chocolate all around the house. And so that was back when I believed in the Easter Bunny. And so I just thought, the Easter Bunny came, and we all woke up the next morning, and we had to just go on an Easter hunt all around the house and find all these plastic eggs, and they kind of
so
popped
fun.
open at the sort of center of them, and they were just full of candy.
So yeah, now that we've got our cream cheese in there, we're just gonna mix. You can use a stand mixer, or I use this handy dandy just handheld mixer because it's very portable. What you have to do sometimes is, because this is what it's looking like right now. It takes a little bit to come together, so I wash my hands, don't worry. You kind of gotta smush it together a little bit by hand just to really incorporate it. I'm kind of like kneading, except since it's half crumbs, you're not really doing it. So what would you say is your favorite thing about Easter?
I mean, I'm a huge chocolate fan. I was not raised with a specific religion. So I wasn't raised personally with the religious aspect of it. So I don't know, I guess probably just Easter movies and painting eggs and just crafting.
Alright, so this is what the, not finished product, but precursor to it looks like. So yeah, now we can get to actually forming the truffles. Here, I'm gonna give you half.
Cool.
And so basically what we'll do is we just take a bit and just form it into little spheres. You can just kind of roll it around.
But you have so many on your side.
Probably because I've done this before. And I'm faster. You're gonna want to stick these in the freezer for about an hour. They're looking good. Okay, so these will be covered in white candy melts. You can also use white chocolate if you want. Sometimes these are a little bit cheaper. It just kind of depends on what the vibe is. So this is a 12-ounce bag. I'm just gonna melt the whole thing. So it looks about melted now. How does that look to you?
Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah, you can even see it. You can see it drizzle. There's a little bit of a lump in there, but it'll get ironed out. So yeah, now we get to dip them, which I think is one of the more
This is the fun part. Do you have any fun plans for this Easter?
I don't think so. This
There you
is
go.
my fun plan for
There you
Easter.
go. Yeah.
I am spending my Easter baking with you.
Aww.
Do you feel special?
I do feel special because I didn't really have any Easter plans either.
Yeah, I probably, because yeah, I still generally like will do Easter stuff like at church generally. So like I go to like, you know, Easter services
Yeah.
and all that. But I don't really have a lot of specific plans. All we have left to do is decorate them and, you know, grant them, gift them, like
Their
Easter
eyes and
eggs
their noses.
with, yeah, little faces.
And little mouths.
So they're not blank canvases anymore. Look at that. Just look at that right there. Look at this little guy. Isn't he delightful? With his ginormous nose. I think they're beautiful. I think these ones are done. They have grown into fully formed, beautiful little bunnies for our consumption.
Should we
Do
do
you
a
want to
taste
try
test?
one? Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, we should try one. Oh, they're so good.
That's really good.
So good. Well, thank you for making these with me. This was a lot of fun.
This was so much fun. Thank you for having me.
Because bow to the camera for our magnificent art.